In the quest for financial prosperity, it's common to feel disheartened when progress seems slower than desired. However, take solace in the fact that the path to wealth gains momentum over time, much like a snowball rolling down a hill, steadily growing larger and faster. This phenomenon is known as the snowball effect, and it can significantly accelerate your journey towards financial independence and success. This is particularly reassuring for those who may have felt that their progress was insufficient. Now, let's discuss why the snowball effect propels your wealth to greater heights with each passing year. The key lies in the power of compounding, a concept where your earnings generate additional earnings over time. As your wealth grows, the gains from your investments accumulate, leading to a compounding effect that amplifies your financial growth exponentially. In essence, the snowball effect transforms your financial journey from a slow crawl to a rapid ascent, making it possible to achieve your wealth goals more swiftly than you might have imagined. It's a testament to the incredible potential of steady, long-term financial planning and wise investments. One significant factor that accelerates your wealth growth is the increase in your income as your career progresses. When you first enter the workforce, your earnings are typically modest, especially in entry-level positions. Consequently, the majority of your paycheck is allocated towards essential expenses, such as rent, food, clothing, and transportation. However, as your career advances, your income rises, enabling you to save and invest more substantially. This translates to having a greater amount of money left over after covering your basic needs. With this surplus income, you can save more diligently and expedite the process of building your wealth. This shift in financial dynamics is a fundamental aspect of wealth accumulation. It underscores the importance of career growth and financial planning in achieving your long-term financial goals. As your income expands, your ability to save and invest increases, propelling your journey towards financial prosperity at an increasingly rapid pace. A higher income opens up new possibilities for investments that can yield greater returns, which may not have been feasible previously. These investments may carry more risk, but they also have the potential to significantly increase your earnings. Coupled with your increased income, this accelerates the growth of your wealth. Moreover, a higher income allows you to expedite the repayment of debts, reducing the amount spent on interest. This, in turn, frees up more capital for investment. Prudent spending is another critical factor in expediting wealth growth. While it may pose initial challenges, developing smart spending habits is a skill you can cultivate. Distinguishing between genuine needs and wants enables you to allocate more funds to savings and investments. Effective spending management involves finding cost-effective alternatives for various expenses without compromising quality or comfort. This ensures a consistent ability to save and invest, as opposed to impulsive spending in essence. A higher income, coupled with strategic investment choices and disciplined spending habits, paves the way for accelerated wealth accumulation. It's a comprehensive approach that empowers individuals to build their financial futures with confidence and foresight. Gaining a solid understanding of how money functions is a crucial step in accelerating the growth of your wealth. When you possess knowledge about budgeting, investing, debt management, and general financial practices, you become empowered to make more informed decisions. This financial literacy equips you with the ability to identify areas where you can trim unnecessary expenses, save more diligently, and reduce your debt burden. It provides you with the tools to budget effectively and allocate your resources wisely. Furthermore, when you comprehend various investment strategies and the associated risks, you are better positioned to make intelligent investment choices. This awareness allows you to plan meticulously and remain steadfast in pursuit of your financial goals. It prevents you from succumbing to hasty decisions that could potentially hinder the growth of your wealth. In essence, the knowledge you gain through learning about money serves as a secret weapon, enhancing your ability to grow your wealth and secure a promising financial future. It's good to have a valuable friend by your side as you navigate the complex world of personal finance. Owning a home plays a significant role in the journey toward financial prosperity. Numerous studies have consistently shown that homeowners tend to fare better financially, and this can be attributed to several compelling reasons. One of the primary advantages of home ownership is the potential for long-term financial gains. Historically, the value of homes tends to appreciate over time. This means that homeowners have the opportunity to realize profits by selling their homes for prices higher than their initial purchase prices. The power of home ownership is further magnified when individuals utilize mortgages to acquire their homes. For example, consider purchasing a $300,000 home with a $30,000 down payment, and the home's value appreciates by 3% each year. In just 1 year, this could yield a remarkable 30% return on the initial $30,000 investment. Over time, the accumulated value of the home becomes a valuable asset, which homeowners can leverage through refinancing or selling the property. In essence, home ownership is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial success, offering individuals the opportunity to grow their assets steadily and secure a brighter financial future. Home ownership offers a wealth of advantages beyond mere property ownership. One significant benefit is the accumulation of equity, which represents the actual value of the home that you possess. As you steadily pay off your mortgage, your ownership stake in the property increases. This equity can be a powerful financial asset that opens doors to various opportunities. Equity can be used to invest in other ventures, kickstart a business, or preserve it for future financial needs. It serves as a valuable resource that can be leveraged to support your long-term financial goals. Moreover, owning a home brings a sense of stability and security by eliminating the uncertainty associated with changing rents. Home ownership translates to consistent housing costs, providing individuals with a sense of financial security and the ability to save money over time. This contrasts sharply with renting, where rent payments can fluctuate at the end of each lease term. In contrast, homeowners with fixed-rate mortgages pay a consistent monthly amount throughout the loan period, fostering financial predictability. While property taxes and insurance costs may undergo gradual changes, homeowners can effectively manage these expenses. Overall, home ownership not only provides a tangible asset, but also contributes to financial stability, peace of mind, and the capacity to plan and budget effectively. Home ownership provides a crucial shield against the adverse effects of inflation. In times when prices are rising, owning a home ensures stability in housing costs. Mortgage payments remain consistent, irrespective of inflationary pressures, thus safeguarding homeowners from higher housing expenses. This financial security not only benefits individuals, but also extends to their families, resulting in more available funds that can be channeled into wealth-building endeavors. Furthermore, as individuals mature and establish their life paths, marriage can become a catalyst for accelerated wealth growth. When partners share common values and financial objectives, they have the opportunity to pool their resources and work together towards shared goals. This collaborative effort enhances both their income potential and investment capabilities, fostering robust financial growth. Partnerships offer mutual support, particularly during challenging times, enabling couples to maintain focus on their financial aspirations. As wealth accumulates, couples can increase their investments and explore new avenues for financial growth. The teamwork created through partnership accelerates the rate at which wealth accumulates, ultimately benefiting both individuals and their families in the pursuit of financial security and prosperity. The snowball effect hinges on a fundamental financial principle, compound interest. This concept revolves around earning money and then reinvesting those earnings, which in turn generates more money. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to substantial wealth growth, even from a relatively modest initial investment. To illustrate this, consider an investment of $20,000 with a 10% return, which yields $2,000 in earnings. If you increase the initial investment to $200,000, the return grows to $20,000. And with a $2 million investment, the return skyrockets to $200,000. Over the course of the many years or even decades, this compounding growth becomes truly remarkable, underscoring the power of compound interest. Building wealth rapidly rests on a solid foundation that encompasses various key components. It involves making smart investments, continuously expanding one's knowledge, using the power of compound interest, understanding the intricacies of money management, owning a home, and advancing in one's career. Combining these elements together can yield amazing results as your wealth accelerates at a pace that may surprise you. In conclusion, the journey to accumulating wealth is not a linear or steady path. Rather, it's a path that gains momentum and magnitude over time. Boost your income by practicing prudent spending habits. Mastering financial management and home ownership collectively contribute to accelerated wealth growth. With each passing year, progress quickens, paving the way for a robust and prosperous financial future.